Here it is, the mighty icon of the seas, the biggest cruise ship in the world. And trust me, it feels like it. The Icon is the first of its class, bringing together neighborhoods, thrills, chills, and pure luxury like never before. And right here, that sleek glass dome, that's the AquaDome. By day, it's a chill-out zone with panoramic views, and at night, it transforms into a mind-blowing entertainment venue. It's surreal, watching the sea while surrounded by glass. Fun fact, it's one of the largest glass and steel structures ever built on a ship. These flyover shots show just how massive and packed with adventure this floating city really is. You can see the sprawling layout, water slides weaving around the top decks, quiet adult areas tucked away in their own paradise, and non-stop action everywhere you look. The kids area? Absolutely awesome. Splash zones, mini slides, games, they've gone all out. There's something for every age on this ship, which is why it's perfect for families. And the activities? Endless. From arcade fun to sports courts to surprises around every corner. Boredom simply doesn't exist on the Icon. There's truly nothing else like it on the ocean. This part blew us away. The Absolute Zero Ice Show. Unreal skating performances, dazzling lights, and yes, flying drones dancing through the air. Just wow. Then came the Aqua Theatre show. Acrobatics, diving, water choreography, all backed by music and lights. Royal Caribbean seriously knows how to put on a show. We capped off the night with dinner at the Hibachi restaurant. Great food, flames flying, and lots of laughs. A full-on experience. And yep, that's Dad on the Crown's edge. Harnessed in, walking the edge of the ship, with nothing but ocean below. Definitely a thrill he won't forget. And finally, meet Rover, the Icon's very own resident pup. He's adorable, friendly, and has become a bit of a ship celebrity. From sky-high slides to once-in-a-lifetime shows, this trip on the Icon of the Seas was something we'll never forget. Biggest ship in the world, and it lived up to every bit of the hype.